Hi there, and welcome to Eloquence.com. As you know, many professionals accumulate excellent know-how and build great tools. But after a first successful usage, most of these great tools are left aside and become sleeping assets. In the meantime, you may have felt that you are reinventing the wheel, whilst a good tool already exists for you somewhere. So how can professionals find the right tools to save time and build on top of existing know-how? Eloquence.com is the leading marketplace to find and share ready-to-use tools. In this short video, I'll walk you through how you can publish your own content by opening an author channel. In your dedicated author channel, you can centralize all of the ready-to-use tools you have built, helping to prevent other professionals from reinventing the wheel. With an Eloquence author channel, you'll be able to 1. Build a stronger personal brand in your field. 2. Monetize your professional ready-to-use tools. 3. Have the opportunity to gather feedback on your work from identifiable users. On Eloquence.com, all users sign in via LinkedIn, so this way you'll be able to know exactly who they are and get in touch with them either through Eloquence private message or directly through LinkedIn. You'll also gather feedback directly from users via reviews and private messages. As well as this, if you want to drive traffic to your shared tools on Eloquence from a third-party site, you can choose to implement dedicated Eloquence iframes. On Eloquence, you're able to publish downloadable files, how-to step-by-step methodologies, PDF files and ebooks, and video tutorials. In the case of a price tool, you earn 90% of the net revenues, whilst Eloquence.com keeps a small 10% fee. The step-by-step upload process is very simple and gives you the option to enrich your content by adding explanatory videos, descriptions, and screenshots. We also provide the option to send tool updates to your user base. Once a tool is sent for validation and accepted, your tool will be released in a dedicated category and made available to tens of thousands of identifiable users. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via private message on the Eloquence Team author channel, where you will also find a number of resources available to help you during your initial publishing process. Looking forward to seeing you as an author on Eloquence.com. Happy publishing!